Hello my air signs, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love, and I am very glad that I help you out in some manner. Okay, so this is your 12/12 to 21/12 portal reading, okay, which means 12 December 2021, 12 December 2021 to 21 December 2021. Okay, portal reading for all air signs Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Okay, so I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situations and leave the rest. This portal is very important, and let's see what this portal is bringing you. Beautiful energies and messages for all my air signs, which are Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for my air signs. Something is going to happen, and because of that you will feel very happy. Okay, so this portal is bringing you a lot of happy energies here. Maybe you can see a lot of there is a lot of rainbows here, rainbow colors is here. So new things are starting here, and the energy is very happy for all air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to deliver the important messages for air signs Aquarius, Gemini, Libra for this portal 12/12 to 21/12 2021, which is important to deliver for all my air signs Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay, so let's see what is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Deep knowing, please give me the message. Higher power, your energy is also like things are happening in your life, where there is lot of things which are happening in your life here. Okay, lot of things which are happening here in your life currently. Okay, but this is very beautiful energy. This portal is bringing you lot of beautiful things. Okay, lot of abundance. Community has come again. One more message for Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Please give me one more message. You are connected to the higher power and you have your deep knowing. That means you are connected to the higher power and you are connected to your intuitions. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new life. I told you there is new life which is coming up for you here. Okay, and this is very beautiful. Community is working with you. Okay, you are not alone, air signs. The angels, the universe, the divine, the ascended masters, the archangels, the universe, everyone is working with you. The community is working with you. Okay, there is a treasure island message which says there is lot of abundance, financial abundance, lot of love which is coming up here. Okay, but it is coming. There is a turtle here, so I know it has took lot of time, but you have listened to that quote that slow and steady wins the race. So it is coming after long period of time, but it is coming here. There is star here, so that means new hopes, new desires, love, lot of abundance which is coming here for you. Can you see in this picture? There is beautiful box of abundance. Okay, treasure box is coming up for you here. In your deep knowing, you are connected to your intuitions. In your deep knowing, you already know all the answers, all the things which are coming here, because you are following your intuition and you are paying your attention to your, I can say, inner guidance, your intuition here. And you are connected to the higher power because your third eye is already activated. Okay, So your third eye is activated, and because of that you are receiving the guidance, the communication with the higher power, because you are connected with the higher power here. This is very beautiful, and there is new life. Maybe you can see 12 lot these days. There is new life. This portal is bringing you new life. So this is very powerful message for my air signs. So let's see more message. Thank you. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me the messages for air signs Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. What this portal is bringing for air signs. Okay, some of you must be feeling some kind of anxiety, but do not feel that. Follow your intuitions, because you already know that this all, whatever is happening in your life, this is happening for beautiful things which are coming up for you. Maybe you are going through a process where you are having financial constraints, but do not worry at all. There is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, which is the solar plexus chakra. So your solar plexus chakra activation is happening in this portal. Okay. Wow. Door to personal healing, happiness and abundance is opening up. Maybe you can see lot of rainbows, white doves, white birds, I can say here. And door to romance. Door to personal healing and happiness and door to romance is opening up. So this portal is opening these beautiful two doors for you. I love it. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more message from the Moonology deck. Please give me message for Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, my air signs. Please give me the message. Okay. So the first message for you is new moon in Aries. Go for it. Take a leap of faith and go for it. If you have to make some kind of decision, if you're thinking about something, to either you have to take some kind of decision in your life and you're thinking that whether to do it or not, the message is go for it. Go for it here. Okay. The next message for you is take a breather, last quarter moon in Cancer. So take a pause, take a breath, okay, cool your emotions and then take a decision here, okay, because you are feeling the anxiety here. So do not feel anxiety, because beautiful things are coming up for you, okay. Then the next message for you is know that you are loved. New moon in Libra, okay. Air signs Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, I'm already doing it. This is a particular message for Libra also, that know that you are loved, okay. If you think that you are not loved, you are wrong. You are loved, okay. So that's the message I am receiving here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see message from Whispers of Ganpati. New beginnings. Beautiful. I told you. There is new beginnings which are coming up for you. There is portal, new life, new beginnings. This portal is bringing beautiful energies for my air signs and I love it. Okay. So let's see more message here from the Krishna consciousness. Please give me the message for air signs. Please give me the message for air signs. Too many message. No. Please give me the message. 1 minute. Please give me the message for air signs for this 12-12 portal to 21-12 portal reading. Beautiful. Some of you, the message is new creation. You have to create something new. That's why the message was go for it. If you have to travel, then travel if needed be, but pray for your work to be done. It's time to create something new. Create something new here, air signs. You have to create something new. New creation is required here. Then second message for you is true devotion and faith, a humble offering to God is greater than any material wealth. Okay, so true devotion and faith is required, okay, rather than any material wealth. So that's the second message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see message from the Secret Forest Oracle deck for my air signs. Please give me the message for air signs. Strength and truth, ancient oak spirit and raven spirit. Stand in your truth here. Okay, stand in your truth, face your truth. You know better than anyone else. Okay, so be authentic, I can say. So that's the message I'm receiving here. That was the message which I received. Be real and true to who you are and what you are feeling. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. And second message is ancient oak spirit, which is saying keep your strength, do not give up. Okay, keep your strength, because light is here. There is lot of help and support which is available for you. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 222. Okay, 222. So let's see more message from Gateway of Oracles. Please give me the message for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. What is the message you want me to deliver? Proceeding softly, beautiful. Awakening ancient wisdom and opening to love. My heart is open. So this portal is making your heart open and you are opening up your heart. Okay, so this portal is bringing the opening of your heart and you're saying that yes, my heart is open, and you are awakening ancient wisdom. Deep inner knowing is emerging in you. See, again the same message. You have our ancient wisdom and knowledge and knowing, and this portal is bringing that awakening, deep knowing inside of you. They are triggering this awakening. Basically, they are making you awake your ancient wisdom and knowledge and share these knowledge and wisdom with the world. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving. Second message for you is proceeding softly. My inner power grows in the moment of quietude. Okay, so you have to proceed softly here. Lovely message. Okay, so let's see more message here. Let's see messages from the, see, it just fell out, travel. Some of you have to travel and the sun is coming for you, definitely. Okay. If you are traveling here, marriage and reunion also wants to come out. Okay, some of you are going to receive your reunions, your marriage here with your partner. Either it's your spiritual connection or your any love connection, but there is a marriage and reunions which are happening. This portal is bringing the reunion and the marriage, and this is very important portal for physical unions of the spiritual connection. Okay, many spiritual connections are going to get reunion during this portal timing. Okay, this is the sun. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Happy new beginnings are starting in your life. Either it is in the field of career, in the field of family, in the field of love. Okay, so new happy beginnings are starting here, and travel is indicated here. Okay, so travel is indicated. Travel if need to be, but create something new. Okay, so that's the main message, that it is the time to create something new. Okay, so let me add one message from the chakra inside. Your throat chakra is getting activated too. Please give me one message for air signs. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Compassion and family. your heart chakra and your root chakra. You are now knowing that where you are, where you belong to, your tribe, your culture, your community. Okay, now you are knowing where are you from, because you are awakening your ancient wisdom. Okay, so now you know that from where you belong, where is your soul family, where is your community here. Okay, where is your soul tribe. That's what 15:15 is a recording reading time. And second message which I received is have compassion, caring, empathy, acceptance and gentleness. So this is what you are generating here. Okay, you are generating compassion. So this is beautiful here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the self-care cards for air signs. Please give me the message. Please give me the message. Intuition. Follow your intuition and flow like a water. That means go with the flow. Okay. Lot of 10-10 number synchronicities is also here. So maybe you can see lot of 10-10 number synchronicities during these days. Follow your intuition. Flow like a water. Water does not stay anywhere. It just flows. Okay. So just go with the flow. Okay. And follow your intuitions. Intuition message is important for you here. Now let me add one message from Keepers of the Light. Please give me the message. For air signs. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Mary Mandela, Commander Ashtar. This is very powerful message. Commander Ashtar is the I can say commander of Galactic Federation, of the New Earth, of the Golden Age of Aquarius. He is someone who takes charge and led by example, and he is right now with you. Okay, and Mary Mandela is the twin flame of Jesus, and she is the teacher awakens. You have something important to share. Okay, air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Follow your inner call. Don't let anything stop you. Okay, I told you, you are awakening ancient knowledge, ancient wisdom. Okay, and you have to create something new. The main important message for you is that there is something very important which you have to share. Okay, so just share it with the world. Okay, Mary Mandela is here. And second is Commander Ashtar, and I'm going to read it out from the book also. These two are very important and very beautiful message I can say for you. This is the time for you. Okay, Commander Ashtar is a multi-dimensional being who promotes truth, peace and harmony between planets. He is said to be an extraterrestrial but appears in human form so that he can communicate at heart level with all those on earth who call on him. He is a part of great white brotherhood. Okay, a light of beings who work to bring healing to the world, and is wonderful guide to those who are feeling the call to bring positivity, healing and inspiration to those around them. He lifts up the heart of leaders and inspires them to walk their paths and complete integrating. You are receiving a call to action and being asked to step up and create the changes you want to see in the world. Okay, know that you are being encouraged to be honest, assertive and true in your loving way. So this is beautiful. You are not alone. You are being called to take action. Okay, take charge, lead by example and walk your talk. The next message for you is Mary Mandela. Okay, so you have strong desire to share what you have learned. Okay, so you may feel people will dismiss you. Okay, but do not worry. Mary Mandela is here to guide you through this process. Your vulnerability is actually your greatest strength, because you are trusting the power of your soul, and that part of you can never be broken. You are a wonderful teacher and leader, and the world needs you. You are being backed up by the heavens, so step forwards and share all that you have learned, because you are awakening the ancient wisdom. Okay, So share with the world, air signs. So Mary Mandela, the message for you is that we do not have a full picture of who Mary of Mandela actually was, but we do know that from spiritual texts that she was a great visionary and teacher with clairvoyant abilities, because she was able to see angels and the soul of her twin flame master Jesus after he had passed away. She also had the ability to shake up crowds of people to bring their hearts and mind back to the highest good. She now devotes her time to supporting us in bringing about the radical changes the earth needs in order to prosper, and to encouraging those who feel the need to teach the joy of spirit. Mary is a rebel heart in many ways. She helps those light workers who feel restricted by the opinions of others to step up and speak up their truth. So your throat chakra is getting activated here in this portal, air signs Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Now you can express your truth. Okay, Raven Spirit is also here. Express your truth. Express your truth, because you have lot of knowledge and wisdom to share with the world, and world needs you. So this is the time. The message is that you have to take the charge, lead by example. This is a time to call to action. Okay, and you are having beautiful support of Mary Mandela and Commander Ashtar. Okay, you are someone who is an awakened teacher. Okay, you have something important to share. You have to follow your intuition, your inner calling, your inner call, your soul. Okay, and don't let anyone stop you. Okay, so that's very beautiful and important message for you. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the secret language of light. Please give me one message for air signs. Please give me the message for air signs. Okay. Ask your soul. Number 16. Okay, something you have asked for will soon turn up in your life. Every time you request something, you plant a seed in your quantum field or vibration reality, where it begins to grow and move towards you. This is how we create and expand consciousness. Asking is the first step in any creation. It only needs to be about 10% of the creative process. Okay, but if we do not see any evidence of our desires are coming into existence, we keep asking. Universe interprets vibration, not the word. So allow yourself to dream about the kind of life you desire, and then write down your dreams. Listen to what you talk about, what seeds you are sowing for your future. Okay, ask your soul that what your soul wants, what is the thing which feeds your soul. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from fortune reading cards for my air signs. Please give me the message. Very powerful reading for air signs. Share your message. Chariot. Charge ahead with confidence. Stay focused and stay strong. Move in a forward direction. Hard times are over. Look forward to an abundance of happiness, enthusiasm and positivity. Star and Chariot. Star is Aquarius energy. Okay, so hard times are over, air signs. Right now you have to charge ahead, move in a forward direction. Be the Chariot. You already know what is right, what is wrong, what is white, what is black. Okay, you right now you have to move in a forward direction with full strength, full confidence, because you are not alone. You have beautiful divine support with you. Okay, so that's what I'm having here. Now let me add one message from the Oracle Indian Secret Tarot deck. Okay, High Priestess is here. Let me see what is the message for air signs. What is the message for air signs? Beautiful. I told you, this is a new happy beginnings which are coming up for you. The Sun card is coming. This portal is bringing you new happy beginnings in all area of your life. So be ready, get ready, be open to receive. Okay, be open to receive new beginnings, happy beginning. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So this is what I'm having here. Okay, let me see what is the healing which is happening for you. What healing? This portal is bringing you healing. Okay, so what is the thing which is healing inside of you? Okay, let's see what is the message you want me to what is the message you want me to give. What healing is happening in air signs? What is the healing? One message. What healing is happening? Entrapment. You are letting too many things in your environment control your life. You have drawn this card because it is the time for a shift in your personal power. You are encouraged to take responsibility for your life and choose new ways of thinking that create change. The system that has many ultra successful people use this. They read books every day, listen to audios, go to many seminars as they can, practice recognition, others' achievements, and form relationships with like-minded people. The reality is that for you to make changes you want, need and desire, you need a system, daily discipline and motivation. Okay, so you are letting too many things in your environment control your life. So now this is a time where you are not going to be controlled by outside influences. Okay, you are the charge of your life. You are the control. You are the one who takes control of your life. Be the emperor, be the chariot. Okay, so, and move in a forward direction with full confidence. Stay strong and focused. Okay, don't anyone else judge you or let you know that what you have to do in your life, because you are a soul who has lot of things to share. Okay, you have very important informations to share with the world. So that's what I'm having. Let me add one message from the tarot too. Maybe the devil energy is trying to stop you. Okay, but they cannot stop you, because these challenges are not going to stop you anyhow, because you are supported by the divine, from the universe, from the angels. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Please give me the message for air signs. One message for air sign. Beautiful. The moon and the 10 of cups. See, I just cut it out and there is a fool energy. Just be the fool and move in a forward direction here. Okay, maybe you are having any confusions or fear about your family life, happy family, happy life, but now those fears are being removed from your life. Okay, maybe you have confusion about whether I'm going to create happy family, happy life or not, but yes, you are going to create happy family, happy life here, happily ever after. Sorry, you just need to take a leap of faith and move in the forward direction, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Again, the Libra energy is here. Maybe some of you are dealing with the water sign. Okay, that can also be a possibility here, but you are going to get, because you are doing the manifestation, the magician, you have all tools to manifest. Okay, whatever manifestation right now you are doing, these manifestations are going to manifest in your life. Okay, so beautiful message. Let me add one message from Whispers of Love. One message for air signs. You are limitless. You can do anything you choose. Okay, you are infinite mind, infinite consciousness, infinite soul. You are limitless. You can do anything Okay, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to decide, whatever you decide to do, you can do anything you choose. So just decide here. You should know that you are limitless. Okay, so this is what I am having here for you, air signs. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Take care of yourself and see you soon.